Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert map chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert this map chart in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now chart, this option chart, just click on it. Now in here in this list you find this map. Click on it, this map chart. Now click on OK. You see here this map chart will be very easily insert. You see here and you can customize it or change it this title or more, like here double press it and here style will be there, like here you can change the style. Just double click on it and you see here this all options, this option and this. So very easily you can do it, insert it, this chart symbol, this chart in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and like this video. Thanks for watching.